Alright, it is now 7:22 a.m. Let's see, it's 47 degrees Fahrenheit outside. And yeah, let's go stop by the restroom and then charge up a tiny bit. Okay, so it got so cold that I think that stuff is iced on, unless that's inside. I can smell it. It smells good. Let's take a look. It smells really good. Okay, I got solar up there. I ended up getting 2 of each, so let's try. It was $10 even. They didn't charge me extra for the flavored ones. Alright, gonna go back to charge a little bit. Did I say these chargers were installed wrong? Well, not all of them apparently. This one, I mean, this is still facing the wrong direction, so it's a little bit of tighter squeeze. But yeah, they're not all lined up right. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, and here are the donuts. Let's open it up. Okay, so I opened the bag. It's waxy material, so it's nice since these are oily. And yeah, here are the plains. The cinnamon sugar. And then the maple syrup. I think it was maple syrup or maple. There we go. Let's give it a try. So it's the Common Man Roadside. Little crispy outside. Dense, doughy. Try this one. Getting better. Alright, and the last one. I don't know when it started recording again, but that's definitely my favorite. I like maple donuts. Alright, we have plenty of charge. Let's continue the trip. It's only going to take 3% to get there, you see. 16 minutes away. Let's unplug. Okay. Let's go. Alright, let's go. It says the same thing on the other side. There's 2. Well, I can't record it now. You can see all the trees changing color here. Uh-oh, we're stuck in a bunch of traffic. It's only showing yellow here, but I don't know. What's that building? Is that the Capitol off in the distance? We're here. Let's see. How much do they charge for parking here? No. Have a memorial thing there, it looks like. $1 per hour, $3 max. Alright, there's the Capitol and the memorial thing here. Alright, here we go. There's the names for World War II. Vietnam War. World War II stuff. Vietnam as well. All the seals. And Korea. This all here. And they have the city of Concord. I don't think the view from here is better than the side view with the memorial. Then we got this guy here, Franklin Pierce. Hopefully you can read that, I don't know. Let me try a picture. This side, you can read it, better lighting I guess. Alright, let's go over there. Clock tower thing, and their Liberty Bell is in that glass, a little tree. And whatever this thingy is. They have a little door there so you can crawl under it. I don't know if this is metal. And, wait. Is this gonna hit the bell by itself? Oh, they put a hammer there, so if you stay an hour, maybe it will ring on its own. It's cool. Let's see the time. Oh, it's missing one of those Eagle Square. Okay. I don't know what used to be here, but there's nothing in there. Fountain down here, the Hamel Center. Got a lot of these like wall things with holes. I don't know if there's supposed to be stuff in them. This ball here. This is Eagle Square. Going down to there. Sleeping there. This ball. Hey, look, it's like one of those lollipops, a dum-dum. Oh, they have another Liberty Bell here. Interesting. Let's go. And you can see this. This is Generation Stark, General Stark. It's at Bennington. See? Major General John Stark. There you go. Bunker Hill. There's the Capitol building. This Krista McAuliffe. Yeah. Touch the future I teach. There you go. That one's a bank down there. I don't know what that one is. This is State of New Hampshire building. I don't know what all that stuff where like paint or something is coming off. Over there, they have some flower thing. Alright, so that's the Legislative Office building. See there? Another cathedral building here. There. Okay, so here they have this golden eternal flame. That flame definitely won't go out. Okay, and they have some stuff written here. Hopefully it can be read. See, they have benches all around, and then it's in the shape of this star. Pretty cool. Alright, I think we already looked at that one. That's what it's like. So we have another building parking underneath. And another of those. We have the flags here, prisoner of war flag as well. And then they have this United States Post Office. What's that? Courthouse. Wait, this is post office and courthouse? No. State of New Hampshire Legislative Office building. Confused. Okay, and there you go. There's the back of the state capitol. Legislative building. That on the top. This is the New Hampshire Historical Society building. Okay. Close up view. There you go. Here's the back of the Capitol. Okay. And we have this guy here. All these carved up there. George Hamilton Perkins. There you go. This side. eagle. The rear entrance has these pillars here. Alright, let's go. And under this tree they have this black walnut tree. Okay. Some walnuts on the ground. Across the street they have this building. This is the state library. State library. They have this little sculpture here. This guy is like, please have a seat. Either that, or if you're parking there, he's like, really? Come on now. Okay, they have the US and prisoner of war MIA flag, and then their flag. New Hampshire's presidential primary. Here's the other side of the Capitol. You can see the, looks like probably an eagle on top. Go from the other side and zoom in. And they have this building here. They have this, Lafayette's tour. A little corner of the Capitol, they have this placard here. Okay. Okay, on the side, or front of the Capitol, we have John P. Hale. I don't know if it's John P. Hale or Haley. There's no accent on it, so it says Hale. The sun is blinding, there you go. There you go. And they have Daniel Webster in the front here. There you go. Born at Salisbury, New Hampshire. Presented by Benjamin Pierce. This. Who let their kids with their crayons on here? And there you go. There's New Hampshire State Capitol. Someone was drawing a face with chalk or on the bubble gum. So a lot of these places, they put those on the fire hydrant to make them easier to see. Here's a closer look of the New Hampshire Historical Society building. That it says Historical Society up there, and of course on the door. There you go. This information thing here. Forgot to get a close-up of this. The Liberty Bell. Oh, this one has a thing on it. I didn't hear anyone ring it yet. Did they lock this one up? This one has like a thing going down. And it's not locked up, so let's... Oh, it is locked up. That's why no one rang it. Alright, let's go hear the actual one that's gonna ring on its own. It should be going off pretty soon. I'm gonna be just looking at that little hammer on the other side so you can see it hit the bell, because there's probably nothing special about the clock hand just turning. Oh, they have this to climb up in there and work on the clock. See this thing just swinging back and forth. Stuff written on that bell as well. I don't know if it's the same. No, it's not the same as the regular Liberty bells. It doesn't go all the way around. Let's see the little hammer there. And we already looked at that, right? Okay, so we're gonna sit here and watch this thing swing, and then it's gonna suddenly ring. It should be within a minute, if the time is correct. See how it has that wire attached there. Give it a There you go. Alright, 9 o'clock. There we go. Let's go. And there's the New Hampshire State Capitol tour. Time to move on to the next. Just noticed this brick here. There we go. Time capsule. Alright, next stop, state of Maine. And we're going to stop at a supercharger along the way. And then continue up. Alright, here we go. Shop. Very nice, bright pictures on the outside. Wow, so bright. There's that one. Going to Maine. Kind of a foresty road. Got some of that lake plants or pond. There's a big lake over here. Or is that the ocean? I don't think it's the ocean. There's too many trees around it. It has to be a lake. This big Northwoods Brewing Company. Thought it was a barn. A lot of houses down there. They all look the same. What's this? They just suddenly changed the traffic to one way. They don't have any cones or anything set up. No person with a sign telling you to stop and wait. They just said we're just gonna block this whole side of the road and start letting only one side of the road go. Okay, I guess they're setting up cones now. They just waved us and said go, go. I missed it. The police car was a like little red Mercedes car. I've never seen them do that with like just random car. Another cemetery. The cemeteries are just in the middle between the little businesses and houses. Those cattail plants. That's where New Hampshire puts for their signs. Some lake houses here. This is right on the lake. Let's see, we're in the forest. Solar arrays here. I wonder if those ones turn or not. Alright, we're here at the charging area. This is Hannaford Supermarket and Pharmacy. There's also a Home Depot across that side. And of course they always build these chargers the wrong way. Anyways, we're gonna charge a little bit. I'm gonna continue uploading videos because I still got a lot to work on, and yeah. Interesting, they have these dispensers for this. Alright, so here you can see we already charged a lot. We don't need that much charge, but anyways, we'll get to Maine State Capitol. Then we have the charger in between here. We'll get to Vermont, and then we'll charge up, get to New York, and then we'll visit my brother in Canada. So there you go. Alright, let's unplug, and then we'll head out. Goes. Alright, here we go.